It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Air Experts. Toilet overflowing? Don't worry, help is here. Follow these quick steps to stop the mess in its tracks. First, locate the water shutoff valve. It's usually a small knob near the base of the toilet. Turn it to stop the flow of water. Next, lift the tank lid and find the flapper at the bottom. Push it down to block water from flowing into the bowl. Then, once the water's under control, grab a plunger. Make sure it creates a good seal over the drain, then plunge up and down firmly. If you've got kids who like to flush their toys, or you think the obstruction is caused by some other foreign object, feel free to don some gloves and try to grab the object. Either way, if it's a simple clog, it shouldn't take too long to get the toilet working again. If it still won't drain, there may be a more serious plumbing issue, and it might be time to call a professional. And remember, never flush again until you're sure the issue is fixed. Prevention is key. Avoid flushing non-flushable items like wipes, paper towels, or too much toilet paper. Problem solved! Now you can flush with confidence. We thought you'd like to know.